let's try butter chicken sushi. And you guys already know the butter chicken recipe, so all I did was make butter chicken. I got my seaweed wrapper onto my bamboo mat, put on some sushi rice, and I didn't have enough sushi rice, so I actually used some leftover biryani. And then on top of that, I will add some pieces of my butter chicken and then garnish it with some cilantro. Carefully roll this up and slice. Let's see. It's a lot to chew. Initially, I thought this was going to be nasty because I'm thinking, butter chicken sushi, what are you, a madman? And then I thought about it a bit more and I realized we eat butter chicken with rice anyways, so it's not much of a difference. I'm not going to add any fish in here, that'll be a bit weird. The only odd part that may be there is going to be the seaweed, and honestly, it doesn't taste odd at all. It actually works. There's nothing wrong with this, apart from, I think I made the sushi roll a bit too big. I think if I made it half the size, it would have been easier to eat because this is very chewy. Other than that, the flavor profiles actually work because again, it's just butter chicken and rice, and then you get a hint of seaweed, which is nice. If there's one thing that you can't butter chicken, let me know in the comments because so far everything's been pretty much solid.